Hello everyone, my name is Juliana Babosale. In this video, I want to show you seven legal mistakes that entrepreneurs and business people need to avoid. 7 legal mistakes. Legal mistakes can be devastating when it comes to issues in your business. Therefore, you need to pay attention to it. Ignorance of the law is said not to be a defense. And the Bible in Hosea chapter 4 verse 6a says that people perish for lack of knowledge. So number one mistake you need to avoid is the kind of business structure you are venturing into. What is the kind of business structure you are venturing into is very, very important. To avoid this mistake, you have to know the business ventures. Either you want to do a sole proprietorship, or you want to do a partnership, or you want to do a company limited by liability, whichever one you want, it's good. So the number 2 mistake you need to avoid is registration of your business name. Very, very important. You need to register your business name. And how do you avoid that mistake? Avoiding that mistake is by registering your business name. Make sure that you get a name that is unique. And go to the Corporate Affairs Commission if you're in Nigeria or any part of the world. Go to the local authorities where you can do your registration. The third mistake that you need to avoid as a business person and as an entrepreneur, legal mistake you need to avoid is ignoring written agreements and contracts. Many a times business people use oral agreements or handshakes or familiarity to do business. That is not legally correct. So the most important thing is get your business ready, get your business written, your business proposals and your business agreements, put them in writing, and your contracts, most especially important ones. That will help you to avoid this mistake. The number 4 is ignoring your personal finances and business finances, putting them together. That is also a mistake you need to avoid. So how do you deal with that? To deal with that, you need to have a separate account for your personal use, and for your business also has a separate account. By doing this, it will help you in a lot of ways, particularly to avoid double taxation in your income. The next one, which is number 4 is ignoring employment laws. How do you avoid that mistake? You avoid that mistake, that legal mistake, by paying attention to employment laws. What are the employment laws in your area? Pay attention to them, and also have an employee handbook when you start your business. Very, very important. Avoid that mistake. The next mistake you need to avoid is ignoring tax laws. Ignoring tax laws can be devastating, so you need to pay attention to it also. Don't ignore tax laws. How do you avoid this? Make sure you have your accounts book correctly written. Get an accountant to help you, a lawyer. The last one, I'd like you to, before I say the last one, I'd like you to like my channel. I'd like you to subscribe to it. I'd like you to drop a comment below as to what you want to know more about legal things you need to avoid. The last one, which is also very, very important, is make sure that you have an exit plan for your business. How do you have an exit plan? How do you avoid this mistake? Because this is a mistake that many business people and entrepreneurs go into. So how do you avoid this mistake? At the early stage, make sure you have an exit plan. You may need to retire at a point, or hand over your business to your family members, or do a merger of your business, or do a partnership. Sometimes you want to even sell your business. How do you do that? It's very important that you have that put down at the earliest stage, so that it can help you to avoid these legal mistakes and to avoid, so many challenges at the end of the day. So thank you so much. If you like this video and any other one, please share and comment, and I'll be grateful to provide more legal points that will help you in your business. Thank you so much.